Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. It is an absolute pleasure to be standing before all of you, and I hope you all are doing good today. Today, I am truly delighted to have a great opportunity to talk about my favorite movie. But before revealing the name of my favorite movie, I'd like to tell something about that. Well, some stories are not just for entertainment. They're a source of inspiration, courage, and also, it tells us a lot. Hard work, courage, and a little belief in ourselves can take us to extraordinary heights. Well, there is a particular story that holds a very, very special place in my heart. It's about a young girl, a girl who faces the world with heart full of dreams, but struggles with self-doubt and insecurities. She's very clever, sharp, and has a unique talent for spelling words. Yeah, she feels invisible with that often overlooks children like her. But life had different plans for her with the help of a dedicated mentor, a strict but kind-hearted guide. And she loves reading very much, and she's a very talented girl. And the main character is KK Palmer, whose performance is as natural as powerful. And supporting her is the legendary actor named Lawrence Fishburne, who plays her coach, a character who teaches her not just spelling, but the importance of discipline, focus, and inner strength. And the theme of the story is really heartwarming. The bond in the story is very fantastic. The theme of the story revolves around perseverance, self-belief, and education. It shows us how a community, a family, and a mentor can together build the confidence of a young soul. And I believe it's a really good movie. You can watch it. So I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for lending your ears.